Welcome back to another episode of Turn Up the Heat. Today we're making an awesome spicy tofu and ramen stir fry. So to get into the ingredients, what we're going to need is some sort of cooking oil. I like to use grapeseed oil because it has a really high smoke point and it's got a pretty neutral flavor. We're also going to use some soy sauce, a bit of ketchup, a bit of Worcestershire Sauce. We're going to use some tofu. Make sure to get firm or extra firm because it'll fry up a little bit easier. If you don't like tofu, you can substitute this for pork or chicken. We'll use a bit of sugar. We'll use some bamboo shoots. We're going to use 2 habaneros. We'll use some broccoli. We'll use some minced garlic. We'll use some coleslaw mix. And finally, we're going to use some ramen noodles. Now, the first thing you want to do is to make up your ramen. So to do this, the fast way is just put it in the container. Make sure not to use the sauce packet. We don't need those. So just take your noodles and put them in a container. And then just fill enough water to cover these and then put them in the microwave for about 3 or 4 minutes. Now in a small bowl, you're going to combine a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You're going to do 2 teaspoons of your Worcestershire sauce. 2 teaspoons of ketchup. 2 teaspoons of sugar. And you're going to do your cut up habaneros. Then you're just going to go ahead and mix those together. And set this aside for later. Now go ahead and grab your trusty wok or a large fry pan and add a bit of oil. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and add our tofu or our meat that we're using. And we're just going to fry this up nice and good. Alright, after your tofu or your meat's been cooking for a little bit, go ahead and remove it. And just set it on a separate plate for now. Now go ahead and add a bit more oil. And add about 2 cups worth of broccoli. Now we're going to fry these for a couple minutes as well. After your broccoli's been cooking for a couple minutes, go ahead and add about 2 cloves worth of garlic. And then about 1 cup worth of your bamboo shoots. And finally about 4 cups worth of your coleslaw mixture. Now go ahead and mix this together and again cook this for another couple minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ramen noodles. Make sure to drain them before you add them in. And we're going to go ahead and mix that up as well. Alright, now after that's mixed up a bit, we're going to go ahead and add this sauce that we made. So give that one last good stir and just kind of pour it all over everything. Just like that. Now again, we're going to go ahead and mix this sucker up. This looks really good. Alright, now after that's mixed up, we're going to go ahead and add back in our tofu. So there goes all that tofu. Now again, we're going to mix this guy up again. Now if you're feeling really fancy, what you can do is go ahead and try giving it a little bit of tosses. So just like something like that. It's kind of hard when this thing is so full. Alright. Now we're just going to leave this on the burner for another couple minutes. Probably no more than about 3 or 4 minutes just to really get all those flavors nice and combined. Now the last step in any recipe is to give it a taste test. That is some of the best darn stir fry I've ever had. Alright. Anyways, if you guys made it this far, thank you all so much for watching. I'm posting these videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and check back next week for more. I'll see you next time.